guys, today we're going to Calab Road to meet monkeys. And I said the fun fact. Look at the road, it's zigzag. Hi guys, today we're driving on the road. Isang araw, nagmamaneho sa ako bang beep 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 beep. Oh! We're not there yet, bro. Bro, we're not there yet. Come on.
Ayun o, nasa kalsada.
Wala na tuloy magandang view. Yan yung view sa
Kalsada, ang dami o.
You will see.
Yan, brother mo, Kikit.
Ayaw tumabi. Ayaw magtabihan o.
Dito kami sa Kailabing. Daming monkey.
Ilan?
Monkey. Sabi niya.
Ayan, ang dami unggoy o. Ayan o. Ayan o.
Ayun, brother ni Kit. Ayun. Brother ni Kit, oh. Hi, Kikit's brothers and sisters. Ayun. Tago, oh.
Don't go outside. Don't go outside.
Ayun.
Tatay ako din.
Brother ni Kikit, oh.
No, the monkeys might attack you.
Keldy, that's your cousin.
Tama,
Oh,
LD.
brother, that's your cousin.
Nature girl.
Ayun ang Fraile. Ay, Fraile. Ano yung...
Hi guys, we're now on a Calabi. We see monkeys everywhere on the road. It was just crossing, but my dad just stopped because they were just crossing. Yes, you must be kind to animals. Don't step on spiders. Don't step on monkey's tail. Ah!
Bebas ka! Ayun may baby o.
What's sa loob?
Dumidede, baby.
Sa loob.
Ayan.
Oh, ang lalaki nila. Ayan pa, may isa. May isa kumakain, oh. Dami. Ba't sila nagagalit? Keldy, nasan ikaw? Ha? Ayun ang kailab.
Battleship. The unsinkable battleship.
Eagle! Where eagle?
Sabihin mo kay tatay dapo.
Monkey! Like this. But then, like this to the monkey.
Nagaya yung monk.
I do this to the monkey. I do this to the monkey.
Parang sad siya. Parang sad yung monkey.
Fun fact, monkeys just jump to a tree to another.
And then?
It's so nice to look. But be careful, do not make loud voice or do not run near to them or they might attack you.
Galing, may
Or
fun
do
fact.
not just step on their tail
Why?
because they may just attack. They may just attack you.
Oh, ganun pala yun.
Just because.
Thank you for your fun fact.
Thank you for your fun fact. Guys, thank you for my fun fact.
What
If you
else?
see monkey on the road, just stop your car. Do not go by or you might kill them.
Oh.
Ayan, ganyan lang.
Don't worry.
Baby Pilay. Pilay siya, oh. Wala siya. Ay, ba't na nga? Kaya nga, nangihingi sila, no?
Hindi kasi lahat siguro.
Oo.
Kate, look here.
Ano ko, ayun yung Mommy Monkey, oh. Mommy Monkey. Mommy Monkey, Mommy.
Yung baby nakakapit.
Nakakapit yung bawal nga magpakain, eh. Nagpakain po.
Tapos si nanay yung mag-a-upload.
Pag may dumadating, nakaabang sila ng hihingi ng food. Hello!
Name ito kay Kit eh.
Kit-kit ba yan, baby?
Kit, tingnan mo. Look siya. Kit, Kit.
Hindi ka natakot, baby?
Yun yung sa bangkit.
Hindi ka natakot sa monkey?
Puno.
Halika ate.
Ha?
Ay.
Oh, the monkeys are...
Ayun, may fun facts pa rin si ate.
Ano, alis na tayo. Picture.
Ayun.
Hindi tayo nag-picture.
Nakalagay na, do not eat. Ayun na nga, nagpakain pa rin.
What's these?
Nasa ano, nasa puno yung lolo ko musik.
Prime Video.
Ano daw?
Sabi, search my name and you will find me. YouTube, Netflix, and Vivid in Prime.
Pariting ng kayota.
Halika na tayo.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching for Isabella's Fun Fact Adventure.